my name is Luke, and thank you for joining me in this video presentation. Today we'll be discussing updating CMS Server using a CMS version 7 installer or later. To start, you'll need to download the CMS version 7 installer and have access to your CMS license key. You may get this by logging into the support page. For information on how to do this, please watch our video on downloading CMS files. You'll also need to make sure that all current users of CMS are logged out and that no CMS licenses are in use. Once this file has been downloaded and is ready for use, just double-click to begin the installation. On this page, you'll note that this file is both the CMS server and workstation installers and updaters. For information on using it in any other fashion, such as installing the initial CMS server or doing a workstation install, please pursue those videos. On the right-hand side of this window, you'll also note where we list where we are currently in this installer. Presently, we are collecting information for the installer. Another thing to note as well here is a new feature to the CMS 7 installer. You'll have this option to use this as a test environment installer as well. That will not be covered in this particular video. For information on that, please pursue the test environment install video. Once you're ready to proceed, please click Next. On this page, you are presented with the CMS license agreement. To proceed further, we require that you review this document and accept the license agreement. Please do read this document thoroughly. Once you have done so, checkmark the I accept the license agreement button and select Next to proceed. We are now on the README information page. This page provides you with general CMS install information, current system requirements, and other information about CMS. Please review this information and then select Next to proceed on. We are now in the Ready to Install window. You'll note that it automatically detects that we have CMS installed on this system, and particularly CMS Server. If this installer does not detect this, it will present you with a different window. If you are expecting this to be an updater, you will see this window, and if you don't, please contact New Haven support. Once you have verified that this is the correct installation directory, please select Next. We are now on the CMS License Manager page. Please enter the license code that you would have recorded down earlier when downloading the CMS installer. This code may have also been provided to you when you initially signed up with CMS support. You would enter in your customer number here in this, and then the actual physical license code in these two boxes here. After you've entered in that license code and hit OK, you are then presented here with the Installing CMS window. You'll notice the progress bar at the bottom here. We'll go ahead and proceed through here while it updates CMS to version 7. This is an excellent time to also go ahead and review the release notes for this particular update, and you can do so by just clicking on the image shown right here. In just a few moments here, this update will go ahead and present us with the updating database screen. You'll notice here on the database update screen here that we'll have all currently installed databases listed. You can go ahead and just leave in the check marks to the ones that you wish to update, and then select the Update Database button. Note that all databases that you wish to use with CMS 7 must be checkmarked and updated. You'll then be presented with this little database update window here. Something to note on this is that this progress bar, while it does go ahead and move along, the amount of time it takes to update does vary, and it can take up to 15 to 20 minutes, and in some cases even longer than that, depending on the size of your database. Please be patient with it and allow it to complete its process. It will finish. In just a few moments here, this database update will be done. As soon as that update file, or the database update file, has finished there, you're then presented with the CMS has been installed successfully window here, or the CMS setup complete. You'll have this option here to go ahead and run CMS now from this window. Just click Finish to complete. Congratulations! You have just updated CMS successfully and are ready to get back to its use. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me for this video presentation.